So let me talk about some expanded views. How to expand my viewport to a better visualization. You can use some shortcuts. You need to use some shortcuts to this become useful. So let's get started. Hit 0 in your numeric keypad to expand your viewport. Some shortcuts are Ctrl and spacebar to change your view, Alt and spacebar to these options: transform, select, action center, fall off, and my symmetry. In transform tools, you had your move, rotate, scale. Let me select some polygons here. Alt, spacebar, select. You can grow, shrink, loop, next, more, less, and everything you want. Selected methods. You had here your convert tools, your boundary, and your lasso, rectangle, circle, ellipse style. In this case, my lasso. Another shortcut are used for here, and Ctrl 1, Ctrl 2, and Ctrl 3. Let me talk about everyone. Ctrl 1, you had here your toggle lights, show and hide lights, cameras, your wireframe, show and hide your wireframe, your verts, show your grid or hide your grid, and your work plane. Toggle background shade, toggle background shade. You can select your wireframe or your flat shade. You don't had this option all in your keyboard, the shortcut. Same as this guy here, an active wireframe, flat shade. You don't have this option, same as activity in this spy menu. Only wireframe and flat shaded. Isolate selected. Everything in background will be hidden. Enable deformers and toggle lights again. So another shortcut are Ctrl 2. When I say, you can change your wireframe, shaded. You can change your textures here with the spy menu. And another are Ctrl 3. You can access your info stats, your tools. Here you had your basics, transformers, deformers, duplicates, and everything you want. Your primitives and everything are here. Items list, sculpt and paint tools, hair tools and utilities. My UV maps. You can select your UV maps here, your morph maps. Color, shader tree, graph editor, and again my info stats. So this is some methods, some shortcuts. This is very useful. You can access everything you want. I talked before about every these shortcuts, 1, 2, 3. You had these guys here too. So another way. Let me hit 0 again to return to my model view. Here in layout, you can change it to simplified to get this viewport here. You can select your options here, your primitives, pen tool, your transform tools, some modeling options, bevel, slices, your subdivide. These are some options. You can return here layouts, default layout, and I think this is everything about this. I hope you enjoy this lesson. See you.